Hey guys, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. Today is Friday, May 1st. Hope you all are doing well, that you had a wonderful week. Looking forward to the weekend. I have just a few things to share with you today. I have a haul from Hobby Lobby, a few things from Walmart, got a few crafty updates. Millie is sitting right across from me, so she might come over. She looks kind of sleepy though. Anyway, I wanted to start with this. This is a napkin, and I got a pack of them from HomeGoods, and it was $14.99. They're just really pretty, you know, like cotton. Actually, I don't know if they're cotton. Let's see. They are, yep, 100% cotton napkins. I don't know the brand. I took the packaging off, but it's just so pretty, right, for like summer and 4th of July decorating. So it's got the strawberries on it and bows and cherries and like a tan stripe in the background. So I thought I would just show you those. I'm not going to leave it out because I think it's kind of loud, but yeah, really pretty, right? And I did iron this one because I was going to use it as a table mat in my family room, but it just didn't go in there. So anyway, there's that. And then, okay, so I went to Hobby Lobby. Paper Studio is 40% off this week. So I did get some papers. I hadn't seen these before. These are in the, you know, single papers. And this one has the bows and American flags on it. I love the light blue bows, and it's just so like, you know, shabby kind of. This was 59 cents, but 40% off, and this is the 8.5 by 11. It's called Flags and Bows, so I got 2 of those, and then 2 of these too, and these were called Red Bow, 1776. So very nice for summery projects, I thought. And then I got some bigger ones, the 12 by 12s. They've had this one before, I know, the bandana, but I thought I could cut it up and put it into the recipe book that I'm working on. And these are 69 cents. And this one's called Handkerchief. And then I got a couple of these. I thought this was just such a pretty floral. It's very subdued tan, and I think these are like blue or dark gray, the stems on the flowers, and the flowers are kind of cream. This one's called Simple Flower. Again, I thought this would be just like a good background paper in my recipe book. So those are the papers that I got at Hobby Lobby this week. I also got these cold transfer stickers, and this is like a cup wrap, and it was $2.49, but you can obviously just cut apart like each little icon if you want to do that. So I thought those would be good for keychains or just dangles, you know, put them on like a round acrylic blank, something like that. And they're all like summer images and lemons and strawberries and watermelon, so those will be good for fruit projects as well. So I got that one. I have quite a collection of these cold transfer stickers. I did start using them some more. And then I saw, I can't remember who, a bunch of people have hauled these, so I wanted to pick them up too. These are little tiny pink bows. They're called resin bow flatbacks with 3 sizes, and it was $3.49 in the jewelry shop, but I think they're always 50% off, maybe 40 now. Let me look at my receipts. I do have it here. Looks like 40% off. Yeah, 40% off. So teeny little ones. I mean, they're all small, but I mean, those are so small. If you wanted to put them on your nails, that would be something cute. I'm not going to do that, but I'll just use them in shakers or on embellishments, and there's 150 in there. So I got that. Thank you for sharing that, whoever it was. And then, Charmy now is 40% off all the time in addition to their other jewelry brands. So I picked up this little hedgehog, and it has a working pinwheel. So cute, $4.99, 40% off. So Charmy usually has very reasonable prices. Who knows if they're going to go up now because they're always on sale. But yeah, I thought this is definitely worth it. And he's a really substantial little charm. So 40% off of $5 is, what is that? That's $2 off, so $3. That's pretty good math, right? If that's correct. So I got those, and then also I got 2 more packs of the Flatback mixes. Last time I got the yellow and purple, this time I got the pink and blue. So this one is $8.99. This does not go on sale. You could tell because it has the yellow price tag. So if you haven't seen this yet, I thought I would open them up and show you what's in them, because they vary a little bit by color. And I'm just going to cut it open because I'm going to keep them probably in these little storage containers I got from Target. So let me just cut that open and we'll dump them in so you can see what they look like. So there's this flower. This was in the yellow and purple one too. I think the centers were different colors, and obviously the color of the flower itself. And then there's that flower. There's a kind of a starfish. It's like a domed star. Very cute. And then we have an ice pop with vanilla drizzle on it and sprinkles. These are just such a good value, these packs, I think. And then there's a butterfly there with like glitter on it. And what else do we have? Oh, cute frog. Frog was in at least one of the other groupings, but that one is a clear pink one. And then what's that cute little guy? Oh, a turtle. Oh, that is a cute turtle. It's like a clear, clear, pink, clear, transparent, translucent body with a sweet little smiley face. And then a opaque pink shell with little stars. Some are painted, some are open. And then that looks like another sea friend. Yep, little octopus. That looks familiar from the other group. And then you have the small little dolphins. And anything else? Let's see. Yeah, there is a little whale. I have big ones like that, so it's nice to have a small version. And is that that's a dolphin. Oh, looks like a cloud too. That's cute. Yeah, I like these a lot. I said last time, oh, there's a little bunny, that I wasn't going to get this because I have pink cabochons, but you know how it goes. And there's a heart too with like darker pink and lighter pink, or dark and clear. That might be it. We'll move on though. Oh, there's a bow. Pretty bow. I see a little star too. Another star. There's a lot of different ones in this group. Okay, good. All right, so that's probably all the pink. There might be some more. And then I got the blue pack as well. So we'll take a look at this. And I think that's all of them now. I don't think there were other colors. Okay, so in this one, there's that flower again. Seems like they all have these flowers. That one and this one. Yeah, different centers. And this one has a big, thick, chunky paw print. So that'll make a cute charm if you put a bail on the back. Got the bows there. Little starfish. Get over here, you. That starfish has the circles on it. Looks like the Scrap Diva Design starfish that just came out. It's got those circles as well. Or it's coming out. It's in the May release. There's a little whale. The May release from Scrap Diva Designs will be available on Tuesday, the 5th. Oh, that dinosaur is adorable. It's got red trim on it. It'd be good for like little boy projects or little girls who like dinosaurs. Little teddy bear face. Let's see, looks like some dolphins. Oh no, a turtle. That one's cute too. That's different than the other turtle. And dinosaur. What else do we got? Are there dolphins in here? That might be it. There might be dolphins. I don't want to spend too much time on these, but oh, there's a fish. That one's just really white. Okay, so generally that's what you get. Oh, it looks like a cloud with a white border too. I like that cloud. That one's more flat. Oops. So yeah, love these little flats. And for some reason, the blue one was $1 cheaper, and it was the last one there. So I don't know why. Let's see, is it the same? They both have 74 pieces. Yeah, I don't know. Who knows with their pricing sometimes, you know? All right, so those are the Flatback mixes. I also got some tags. I got this pack of tags, 99 cents. Doesn't go on sale, but that's a great price for 12 pieces. Let's see if they're all the same, because it looks like probably that's the front and that's the back. All right, it doesn't reseal, but I will open it in the name of research, just so you guys will know. Okay, yeah, looks like they're all the same. They're nice cardstock tags. Nothing fancy, but very nice. I love the print on them. And then I got these as well. And these have 3 different colors, and they're green gingham, blue gingham, and pink gingham, also 99 cents. And these have 18, so 6 of each, I would assume. So there are those. And then I picked up this pack of ephemera. This is Paper Studios, so it was 40% off. This one is only $2.99, and it comes with 50 designs, 2 of each, so 100 pieces for that much. And these are all like vintagey kind of designs. So let's take a look at these. I don't know how long this has been out. I don't tend to look too much at the ephemera, but I don't know, I was just in the mood to browse more today. So there's different holidays, like you have this big turkey, that's a huge piece of ephemera. And then you have the Liberty Bell. I mean, that'd be good for like junk journaling, I guess. Or if you're gonna do like a 4th of July spread. Be Mine, that's cute, like vintage skunk Valentine. Yeah, these will be good like in my Americana recipe book. I could put those in there with the Liberty Bell. I've got some stockings, some little family rectangles, Easter greetings, postcard, Christmas postcard. Ireland's greatness none can mock, Ireland forever, and the shamrock. Cute flags, always use those, give thanks. And they're nicely die cut. They do have some of those little, notches. You could just cut those off. Little Easter eggs, little freedom stamp, Easter egg, pot of gold, I guess. I guess that's what that should be. Looks more like a Halloween thing. And these are, I don't know, springy, I guess. Oh, Millie's sleeping. And then Christmas, more Easter, springy, Statue of Liberty, horseshoe. Yeah, there's, 50 different kinds for, 40% off of $3. Good deal. And they don't have any of the white around them, unless they're like, the Statue of Liberty one. This one has some white around it, but this would look nice if you inked it with a little vintage photo or something like that, just to really make it look vintage. So yeah, super cute. What a good value this is. And they had other versions, but I don't know if any of them were $2.99. Looks good. Look at that. That is big. That is a big piece of ephemera. Oh yeah, I'm going to definitely use the patriotic ones for my album. I love vintage Valentines. They're so cute. Merry Christmas. Dahlia seeds. Cornucopia. Well, it's not cornucopia, just a fall thing. Santa. And then, yeah, a bunch of the little ones. Autumn blessings, the shamrocks, and things like that. So very, very cute. More Valentines. Cute, cute, cute. All right, so that was it from Hobby Lobby. I got a few things from Walmart to show you. I got this pack of acetate, and oops, this was in the paper crafting section. This was $7.37, and it's got 10 sheets, and this one came out already. But they're kind of like, okay, so they're sort of bright colors. Get a piece of white paper out so you can see. See like that? But if you turn them over, they look very pastel-y. So I was thinking I could do that. It really doesn't look like it's the wrong side. I don't think so, right? So that's the pastel-y version. and then this is more vibrant. So I think you could do either way. These are nice weight acetate. You get these two. It's funny, I saw Kim from Kimbo Creations. Hi, Kim. She hauled this too recently, and it is a really nice paper pad, acetate pad. And you have the sprinkles here. Let's see the pastel yeah, see, it looks pastel. Good. Because, I mean, I like the vibrant ones, but I typically don't use vibrant colors like that. I'm more of a pastel person. Oh, look at that. Those florals, aren't those pretty? But, yeah, you could go either way. I really like the floral page. And then here are just like this kind of herringbone pattern. There's the pastel version. And then we have the like irregular polka dots and the pastel version, just to show you. Right? And that's it. So yeah, really great deal. You can always use more acetate for shakers or, you know, albums, whatever you're using that for. And then I want to show you one more thing. It's not really crafty related, but I got these cute cups, one for me, one for my sister. This one's for me. And this was $8.97. It's a cup, an iced coffee sleeve. Well, it's a cup that comes with an iced coffee sleeve. What is that? I don't know. But it's like just a tumbler like this, comes with the straw, and it is 24 ounces. And then I just love this sleeve because I always like bring my coffee into stores, and in the summer I bring iced coffee. So this way I could just make it at home and hold it like this. And I always need like a napkin or something if I get a Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee, just because the cup is so cold. My hands are weird. They react strongly to cold. So anyway, I thought this would be perfect for that. So I got the cherry one. My sister is a big purple fan, so I got her this purple one. I guess it's supposed to have that. So it has the polka dots on it, and there was also a really pretty like blue one that had a hydrangea color sleeve. But yeah, I just got these two, one for her and one for me. So that is it for my haul today. Hope you have a great weekend. My daughter's graduation is this weekend from physical therapy school. So very, very excited and proud of her. So we're having some family come in, and it's going to be a busy weekend, but very fun. So probably won't get to do much crafting, but I will have more preview, or it might not be preview by then, but more products from Scrap Diva Designs may release. Check out my video if you haven't seen that with the preview and sample projects. I also have a tutorial already out for the large sweet treat gift box. And then my Chaos Craft May design team order is on the way, so I'll be sure to share that with you when it comes. And yeah, all good things. Hopefully this video came out okay. Like I said in my last video, I had to get a new phone. I dropped my old one in a parking lot, and the screen was being really weird. So I got a new one, the same exact version. I use the iPhone 16 Pro, but you know, you never know with phones what one is going to be different than the last one with settings and such. So hopefully it's okay. So yeah, leave me a comment. I'd love to know what you're up to and what you thought about this haul, what your favorite item was. I'd love to find out. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Until next time, have a great day. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching, and take care. Bye, everyone.